Stop trusting your F1 scores blindly. There's a hidden variable compromising your model's validity: evaluation sovereignty. In operational information systems, evaluation is rarely neutral. Outcomes are conditioned by the label authority regime. When training and evaluation labels derive from the same operational pipeline, you face circular evaluation. Your model isn't predicting reality, it's optimizing for alignment with the labeling process itself. Evaluation sovereignty quantifies this, the degree to which performance metrics remain independent of the supervision regime. We audit this using a multi-track framework across hierarchical multi-label classification. We distinguish silver labels, operational, noisy, heuristic-derived, and gold labels, verified, high-authority, ground truth. Track F represents the operational baseline: silver trained, silver evaluated. Models show inflated performance. Transformers achieve micro F1 scores of 0.64 at level 1 and 0.54 at level 2. Track R exposes the authority gap. Here, silver-trained models are evaluated against gold labels. Performance degrades significantly. Level 1 drops to roughly 0.37. Level 2, the fine-grained long tail, collapses. Micro F1 plummets from 0.54 to 0.03. Crucially, Track F utilized a top-end ranking constraint to handle sparsity, whereas Track R enforces strict binary classification. While this protocol shift contributes to the decline, the magnitude confirms a dominant effect of label authority, not just metric sensitivity. Track P provides the control: gold trained, gold evaluated. Performance recovers to 0.95 and 0.83. This proves the models possess the capacity. The degradation in Track R is an artifact of mismatched label governance, not intrinsic model failure. Furthermore, ranking-based metrics like AUPRC remain non-trivial in Track R models, retain latent semantic signal, but fail to produce discrete predictions. This divergence indicates that weakly supervised models capture partial relationships, but cannot translate that signal into reliable classification when evaluated under higher authority. Evaluation validity is a system-level property. It emerges from the interaction between model, data, and label governance. If you deploy intelligent systems under weak supervision, you must audit your evaluation sovereignty. Decouple your training and evaluation label sources. Otherwise, you're not measuring predictive capability, you're measuring alignment with noise.